Yan ang sabi dyan, no? 112.5 million DepEd Confidential Fund plans. Walang specific activities. Sabi ng co-auditor na si Roderick Wamil sa kanyang pagda-testify, mga kababayan, kahapon, kung saan gagastusin, mga kababayan, yung pera. Walang specific po. Alabs na, mga kababayan, dapat yan naka-itemize. May specific dapat na pagkakagastahan. The three releases totaled 112.5 million pesos in covered. Puro sabi-sabi lang. Ito po, base sa testimonya mismo. Competent witness ang nagsasabi. Mga kababayan, he said the same deficiency appeared in the second and third quarter plans. Puro may butas po.
Nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
Hello po, mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Grabe, mga kababayan, yung mga umalingasaw na baho sa impeachment trial ni Sara Duterte. Ano niya, Mr. Maravillas, yung mga umalingasaw na mga ebidensya. Ebidensya na po ang nagpapakita na talagang may problema. At hindi lang maliit na problema, napakalaking problema. Kasi ang involved ditong pera, milyon-milyon. Imagine ito po, sabi dito sa balita, BP Duterte approved 112.5 million DepEd Confidential Fund plans without specific activities. Sabi po ng COA witness na si Wamil, yan ang sabi dyan, 112.5 million DepEd Confidential Fund plans. Walang specific activities. Sabi ng co-auditor na si Roderick Wamil sa kanyang pagda-testify, mga kababayan, kahapon, Vice President Sara Duterte approved the Department of Education plans for 3 fixed 37.5 million confidential fund releases noong 2023. Even though daw, yung mga documents did not identify kung anong mga specific confidential activities ang paggagamitan, kung saan gagastusin, mga kababayan, yung pera. Walang specific po. Alabs na, mga kababayan, dapat yan naka-itemize. May specific dapat na pagkakagastahan. The three releases totaled 112.5 million pesos in covered February 20 to March 30, April 20 to June 29, 2023. According to the documents na sinumiti, mga kababayan, ng Department of Education sa COA noong pinamumunuan pa ni Sara Duterte, yung DepEd. Ang kanilang confidential fund niya for each quarter ay 37.5 million, sabi po ni Wamil. Sa kanyang testimony sa Senate Impeachment Court, kinonfirm, mga kababayan, ni Wamil that the amount was fixed per quarter in that based on DepEd's document, its release was withdrawn in full. Buo, mga kababayan, yung 37.5 million kinokobra, siguradong nakalagay ito sa, kung hindi duffel bag, bags, maleta. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, yung mga akusasyon nila na mali-maleta, dinideliver kay Martin, saka sa mga senador na gusto nilang siraan, congressmen, pati yung ating Pangulo, pati yung ICC, sila yung may gawain, sila yung may gawa, sila nagpauso ng maleta. You see? Kasi saan mo man yun ilalagay kung hindi sa maleta po, o hindi yung mga bags. So sabi po ni Private Prosecutor Lorna Kapunan sa kanyang presentation ng physical and financial plans for the 3 quarters, it's carried Duterte's signature niya, beneath the notation approved by. So ang ibig sabihin po ng approve by ay inapprove po ng signatory dito sa box na ito yung contents of the physical and financial plan, sabi po ni Wamil sa pagtatanong, mga kababayan, ni Attorney Kapunan. Nang tanungin po to identify the signatory, sagot, mga kababayan, ni Wamil, signature po ni Vice President Sara Duterte po. Wamil said the same appeared on all three plans anya. At the time, Duterte concurrently served as Vice President saka Education Secretary anya. So the plans distributed the quarterly funds among 4 broad programs: counterinsurgency, abuse prevention and control within schools, anti-illegal activities operations, and anti-extremism and terrorism. Sabi po ni Wamil. However, that the plans did not enumerate the confidential operations underlying those headings. Wala po na iniligay, puro generalities lang doon sa kanilang physical and financial plan niya. For the first quarter, hindi po naka-indicate yung kanilang specific confidential activities na pagbabasihan po ng kanilang disbursement para sa confidential fund. Nakita na ninyo? Di ba kayo nahinala? Di ba sa talagang plinano kung paano lunukin? Naglagay sila ng napakalalaking mga butas. O iinit naman yung ulo ninyo mga DDS. Ito ang katotohanan. Mga ebidensya po ang nagsasalita dito. Walang haka-haka dito mga kababayan tulad ng mga gawain ng mga DDS vloggers. Puro haka-haka, puro espekulasyon, puro sabi-sabi lang. Ito po base sa testimonya mismo. Competent witness ang nagsasabi. Mga kababayan. He said the same deficiency appeared in the second and third quarter plans. Puro may butas po. For the counterinsurgency program, the document stated that the intended result was to prevent the recruitment of teachers and students by the New People's Army and other communist or leftist groups. The physical target was to eliminate or reduce such recruitment. Wamil testified that DepEd submitted no operational document supporting those statements. Based on their submission, wala po silang sinubmit na document. The plans allocated 9.375 million to the counterinsurgency program in the first quarter. Yung trabaho ng Armed Forces, ng Department of National Defense. 9.3 million in the second and 9.2 million in the third. Million po. For abuse prevention and control within schools, DepEd allocated 10 million pesos, 10.075 million and 10.125 million respectively. The stated target niya included increasing community participation in reporting cases involving learners. Wamil said the DepEd provided no list of communities whose participation had supposedly increased. Puro ghost po. Kung yung sa flood control po, ang daming ghost. Dito din po, puro ghost yung mga projects. Pati mga communities, walang lista. Pati yung mga beneficiaries. Wala po silang sinubmit na listahan. The plans also allocated a combined 27.24 million over 3 quarters to anti-illegal activities operation. Wamil said DepEd submitted no list identifying the illegal activities, schools involved, or surveillance work reportedly conducted. Wala, as in zero. The anti-extremism and terrorism entries referred to gathering information for peace and order within DepEd and intensifying background investigations of personnel and learners allegedly involved with terrorist groups. Wamil again said no supporting operations documents ang sinubmit. The physical and financial plans were planning documents, not proof that the listed amounts were ultimately spent as proposed. Mills' testimony was limited to what DepEd submitted for audit and whether the plans identified the particular operations against which the targets in proposed disbursement could be evaluated. For the prosecution, sabi dito sa balita, the plans established that Duterte approved the full 112.5 million pesos framework, while the document niya did not disclose the specific confidential activities supporting the stated programs and targets. Malinaw po naman sa presentation. Asked what evidence DepEd submitted to establish its asserted anti-illegal and anti-terrorism activities, Wamil's answer remained the same. Wala po silang sinabmit. Mayroon kinubra. Naglaho na parang bula yung pera ng bayan. Magkano? Dito mga kababayan sa una, 112.5 million pesos. Sabi ko sa inyo, kung yung guro from Catanduanes principal po na nakapagnakaw ng 5,000 pesos na simento, worse ng cement, nakulong 11 years. Anong rason na si Sara Duterte hindi natin papanagutin sa ganitong ori milyon-milyon na ginastos na pera ng bayan na hindi napunta sa tama, kundi sa mabuting kamay o masamang kamay pala? Ayan ang tanong natin mga kababayan.
Swimming and lifting cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab ka rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.